Hey guys, I'm Cherie Criswell, an independent designer for Couture. Today I have a quick and easy project that I'm doing. I cut these houses on my scroll saw and painted them gray. I believe they are 3/4 of an inch thick MDF. So after that I waxed both sides. It's wood or MDF, it's a porous surface, so I want to wax it before I chalk on it to save a little wear and tear on my transfers, just so that they last longer, so I can keep using them over and over. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put these in all these little signs. It's a welcome trio that's in my website. The gather, welcome, and hello. I'm going to do them all in white paste, and then I'm going to put a ribbon around the bottom. So let's see what we can get. So the first thing is to take the transfers off, and I'm doing gather, welcome, hello, and so blessed. 3 of those are from the welcome trio. So you just put the transfer on, and for those who are not familiar with Couture, it has a sticky transfer that's reusable. So you just lay it on and spread out all of the bubbles in it so you can get a good transfer. It is a silk screen netting in there. You use a squeegee to squeegee on the chalk paste. Take off any excess, put it back in the jar. And then, when we're all done, we take off the transfer. And you can clean this, or you need to clean it, front and back, with water, and take Clorox wipes, and that returns some of the sticky to it. And here it is with the ribbons all dressed up, my Farmhouses. I really like them. They were simple, easy, and I love them. If you do too, just check out my website and look around at chacouture.com/Cherie Criswell.